Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we're talking real estate investing. I'm going to focus on investing again here today. You know this is a big key topic of what we like to talk about on our YouTube channel. My name is Mark Hulsey with Results Commercial out of Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. Today, you guys, this topic is so important to me, and I think it's really timely. It's timely because as I look at some of the people out there trying to train investors, both new investors, intermediate level investors, I get a little crazy, okay? I get a little bit nuts, and I'll tell you why, because I'm so tired of watching people talk about how when you go invest in real estate that it's so easy and you're just going to become this great millionaire, or let's go become a billionaire, all right? Now listen, here's the deal, you guys. Let me make this super simple. Real estate investing is probably it's like the best way of creating wealth in America. It's fantastic. Yeah, you can make it in the stock market, and you can make it with commodities, and you can invest in all kinds of, golds or bitcoins and all kinds of other things. But you know what I like about real estate? It's real. Real estate is real. There's only so much of it. It's tangible, right? I'm right here, right now. It's a real deal. It's collateralized. That's why banks like to loan on it, because it's real, true collateral. The other thing about it is it appreciates. Okay, it's only been appreciating since they started in real estate. It goes up. And of course, we've talked about depreciation and some of the other key wealth buildings here. But this is the part that gets me. I'm tired of watching the people going out there and trying to let you know that it's so easy, anyone can do it, everyone should do it. That's baloney, okay? This isn't for everybody. You need to jump into this business if you want to treat it like a business. That's what this is. Every single property is an income-producing property. It's its own business, and you have to treat it that way. This isn't about Lamborghinis and private jets and becoming a billionaire, okay? Today's best commercial real estate investments. And I had a couple really interesting points in there. Number one, bigger is not always better. Let me be clear about that. It's not about bigger is better when it comes to real estate investing. I have worked with clients who have had 3, 6, 9 properties that are paid for, and they're creating a beautiful income stream for them. You don't need to have millions and millions of square feet under your control. And now if you want to play Monopoly and you want to build your legacy with an enormous portfolio, have at it. And can you become a millionaire and billionaire doing that? Sure you can. But listen, real estate investing is also for creating side income. Okay? It's taking your money and diversifying your investment portfolio. So maybe you've got your money and you got your cash on hand, you've got your reserves, you've got your IRAs, your 401ks, you've got some money in the market. Financial planners oftentimes will tell people, make sure you've got about 10% in real estate. All right, us real estate investors, we say, why would you only have 10%? Why don't you increase that number a little bit bigger? Okay, but this is important to know. So when you're doing your goal setting, let's be super clear about this. I want you to understand this idea that bigger is not always better. And you're not going after billionaire status. You don't need to go after billionaire status. Once again, let's understand what real wealth is. Okay, for me, real wealth isn't, leaving this world with billions of dollars. My wealth is built around things that have nothing to do with money whatsoever. I won't go into that today. But I want to be clear about this because I'm really tired of some of the other messages out there that anyone can be doing this and everyone's going to become a billionaire overnight. You need to have capital. You need to have know-how. You need to have a great team around you. You need to have a good managed growth policy. Okay? You're not about going out there just gobbling up as much as you can because you're going to build the house of cards is going to collapse. We need to do this smart. We need to do this practically. Buy one house per year. Buy a shopping center. Buy another shopping center in 2 years. Find the mixed-use building with the commercial space down and the apartments up. 3 or 4 units. Buy a fourplex. Duplex, triplex, fourplex. Okay? If you've got the capital to bite off something more, no problem, do it. But I sure would not be doing that unless I had the team and the know-how behind me. I don't care how much money you have. You need to make sure that you've got a great base to build upon, or you're not going to be left with a whole lot standing in the long run. So goal setting is really important. Think through this. I hope you can hear what I'm saying to you. There's an important message here because, again, get 2 properties, 3 properties. Start paying those properties off. Take in that income. Let that money help live the kind of life that you want to live. But let's get this idea that it's about having to be the billionaire and your Lamborghini and your private jet, and let's just be smart about real estate investing. I hope this was helpful. I'm glad you're willing to hear me out. Thank you so much. And I hope you'll check us out, our website, resultscommercial.com. And, drop me a note. I would love to hear from you. If I can help you out with anything, certainly feel free to do that. Subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. I'm going to give you more of this information because that's what I want to do. I want to share my information with you. So I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks again.